because the biggest problem was the moment I took that toupee off, it took me a long time to get rid of that residue, rid of the glue that stays on the lace of the toupee. And then while I was shaving my head, there was one spot that you can see that it just started bleeding. I really wanted to try the tape method, the only tape method. I had such a hard time putting the tape on the lace. At first time it didn't even work. When we finally put the tape on the lace and when we finally were able to take it off and put it on my head, we managed to put the toupee on backwards. So that was a whole disaster. Put this on the good way?
I don't know, honey.
Oh no, look at the back.
Yeah. God damn it. Did you put it on the right way? I don't know what's the front and what's the back.
We managed to take everything off and start all over again. We managed to put everything back together and somehow we managed to put my toupee back up again. We didn't put it back properly. It was just a little realigned. It was turned a little sideways and I think it shifted a little back. It looks a little different, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
No. I think it looks fine though.
I had to wake up early the next day, so we basically just let the whole thing go. So that's the footage that you've seen. That was last weekend. That toupee stayed on for a week. Showered with it, put some shampoo on it, it stayed in place. I ordered some other products. I ordered a better tape and I ordered a scalp protector. And this is where we are right now. Today, finally, we were able to install it properly. Freed up to there?
Yeah. Hey, this is pretty good, huh? You are applied.
Nice.
Hey!
We think. Love it. Look how I look now compared to 5 minutes ago.
I know.
This looks like it's my hair. It looks like it's my hair.